Good morning, students. Welcome to 8th Standard Social Science Civics. My dear children, let me ask you few questions. How do we travel from one place to another place? Yes, we can go by bicycle, bike, car, bus, etc. Okay, how do we call this type of transport? Of course, you are correct. It is a road transport. Yes, my dear children, today we are going to see the safety measures to avoid accidents that occur through road transport.
Road safety rules and regulations. The roads are one of the most crucial inventions of man. In today's world, transport has become an integral part of every human being. Roads minimizes the distance, but on the other hand, road accidents ensure lakhs of people and result in loss of lives. Road safety is primarily meant to protect and provide security of all those who travel on roads. Now, importance of road safety. Road accidents are undesired events that lead to injury or death. These deaths and injuries result in significant social and economic cost. The problem does not lie with roads. It is our carelessness that results in such misfortune. The loss of life results in the loss of livelihood. Our traffic is a heterogeneous mix of slow moving as well as high speed vehicles, which is the cause for the problem. Heterogeneous means consisting of different kinds of people or things. Next, reasons for the road accidents. The reasons for the road accidents are overspeeding. The higher the speed, the greater the risk. Most of the fatal accidents occur due to overspeeding. Next, drunken driving. Consumption of alcohol reduces concentration. And then, distraction to drivers. Distraction would be outside or inside the vehicle. The major distraction nowadays is talking on mobile phones while driving. And then red light jumping. The main motive behind red light jumping is saving time. Studies have shown that traffic signals followed properly by all the drivers saves time and passengers reach destination safely and on time. Avoiding safety cures. Use of seat belt in four-wheelers and helmets for two-wheelers have been brought under law. These two things reduce the severity of injury during accidents. And then bad condition of road and failure of brakes or steering. Now, traffic signs. Traffic signs are there to regulate traffic, warn about hazards, and to guide the road users. Understanding traffic signs is essential. We should have a proper knowledge of traffic signs. The government has made it mandatory for a person who wants to obtain driving license to be well versed with the traffic signs. Traffic signs prevent the undesirable risk posed on the road to drivers and passengers in the vehicle. There are three types of traffic signs. They are mandatory signs, cautionary signs, and informatory signs. Mandatory signs means give order and need to be followed strictly. They are generally in circular in shape. And then cautionary sign. Warn the user regarding road situation ahead. They are generally in triangular shape. And then last one, informatory signs. It gives information regarding directions, destinations, etc. They are generally in a rectangular shape. And then traffic signals. Traffic lights is a signaling device that is positioned at a road intersection, pedestrian crossing to indicate when it is safe to drive, ride, or walk using a universal color code. Red. This signal indicates to stop behind the stop line. And then yellow. This signal indicates stop, to not pass through, or start until green shows. If by mistake you are caught in yellow signal in the middle of a large road crossing, continue with care and do not accelerate in panic. And then green. This signal indicates you may go if the way is clear. And then steady green arrow signal. This signal may be provided in addition to the full green signal. This indicates to proceed with caution in the direction the arrow points. And then flashing red signal. It means to come to complete stop. Proceed only when the way is clear. And then last, flashing yellow signal. It indicates to slow down and proceed with caution. Okay students, I hope you are clear with this topic. Shall we recall now? Yes. Road safety is primarily meant about the protection and security of all road users. And then road accidents are undesired events. The loss of life or serious injury results in the loss of livelihood. And then traffic signs are to regulate traffic, warn about hazards, and to guide the road user. And finally, there are three types of traffic signs such as mandatory sign, cautionary sign, and informatory signs. Okay students, thank you.